Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is day 7 of the Custom Keto Review Diet. So without further ado, we're just going to get right to what we had to eat today. So for breakfast, I wanted to try something different, so I went on the website and I found coconut porridge. So this is what it looks like on the left, and this is our version on the right. Now, let me just kind of name some of the ingredients that the recipe called for. It called for eggs, coconut flour, psyllium husk powder, a pinch of salt, butter, and coconut cream. Now, we didn't have all these ingredients, so we did make some substitutes. So instead of the psyllium husk, we used chia seeds. So that's kind of what you're seeing in our version here. And instead of the coconut cream, we used heavy cream. So I think that's part of the reason why ours turned out the way it did. So we definitely have to try this again once we have all the ingredients. But this on the left is how it should look if everything is, if you follow everything and have all the ingredients. So we'll definitely have to try this again. But what we did put together did taste good. So let's move on to lunch. For lunch, we just had a very simple ham and egg wrap. So this is what it looks like on the website. And here's how ours turned out. That's some of the cream cheese sticking out there. You see the ham and the eggs, and it was really good. So this one was definitely a winner. And then for dinner, we had the pizza that I like again, the microwave pizza. So the temperature, you set it at 400 degrees for about 12 minutes. I'm going to cut to some footage to show my husband making that for us. And then I'll see you in a minute.
All right, here we go. Here is the bacon. This is great because I won't not burning myself. So I got that with all the bacon grease, and then here's the product afterwards. And then if we go around here, here's pizza number 1. And this is a microwave pizza version, pizza number 2. Boom. I'm not putting the pepperoni on there this time. It's just going to be some mozzarella cheese. I made up some tomato sauce using some pizza sauce, using that along with some paste. All right, and then I'll put it all together here.
All right, great. So you got a chance to see some of that footage. So again, the keto pizza on the left, that's what this looks like from the website. And then here's our version over here with the bacon on top. The last time we had it, we used pepperoni. This time we used bacon, but either way, it tasted great for all you bacon fans out there. That was actually all the meals. I didn't get a snack in, but the website does call for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snack. So, if you want to find out more about the custom keto diet, definitely click the link below. And again, everybody is different with their body type and metabolism and everything. So the results that I have will be different from the results that you have. You always want to, discuss before you venture into any new weight loss plan or meal plan. You want to talk to your medical professional first before you do anything. But we've been trying this is day 7 now, and I'm happy with the results that I've seen. I'm gonna stick to this, and I'll keep you guys posted as always. So if you found value in this video, or you want to keep seeing our keto journey on this, please subscribe to the channel and click the link below if you want to find out more about the custom keto diet, and we'll see you tomorrow. Thank you very much.